Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we will work on brightness control through Seekbar using alert dialog, and also we will get the device equalizer for audio controls. So let's start from brightness work. Now first of all we have to create Java class for brightness dialog. Right click on package Java class, name it as brightness dialog, and also for brightness dialog we have to create item layout. So right click on layout resource file, name it as brt underscore dialog underscore item. We can copy the whole dialog item code, collapse this relative layout, select the whole line, Control C. Now we can close, and in BRT select this code and Control V. Now we have to do some changes here. First of all, change the text to brightness, and ID will be BRT close, BRT dialog icon, change ID, also change ID here, BRT, also change icon of brightness, change the ID of text view from wall to BRT number. In brightness dialog, firstly extends it to app compare dialog fragment. Override a method on create dialog. Above the return call, firstly remove this line. Create text views and image view. Text view, brightness number, image view, cross, and Seekbar. Here create alert dialog dot builder get activity layout inflator, get activity dot get layout inflator. Now create object for view, inflator dot inflate the layout or layout, BRT dialog item. Second parameter will be null. Builder dot set view. We are setting this view to alert dialog. Now below here, assign IDs. Cross equal to view dot find view by ID, r dot id dot BRT close. Point on this line, Control D, again Control D. Change the variable to brightness number, BRT number, and Seekbar. Change ID also, whole Seekbar. We will change it to BRT Seekbar. There is no ID with BRT Seekbar. Also we have to change the ID, change it to BRT number, and we have to change the ID for Seekbar, that will be BRT Seekbar. Now you can see the BRT ID. Here create int variable for getting the brightness, settings dot system dot get int get context dot get content resolver, comma, in below line, settings dot system dot screen brightness, second attribute as third attribute as 0, brightness number dot set text brightness plus double quotes. Now give Seekbar progress, set progress will be brightness. Now Seekbar dot set on Seekbar change new. In on progress change means user swipe the Seekbar, change the position of Seekbar. We will firstly create object for context here. Context equal get context dot get application context, create boolean variable for can write, settings dot system dot can write. We will firstly check if the user can write or not, point on can write, alt enter. Also we will add permission in manifest file later. Create if statement can write int value as brightness progress static 255/255, set text to brightness number as brightness plus double quotes, setting dot system dot put int context dot get content resolver, comma, setting dot system dot screen brightness mode, comma, in below line, setting dot system dot screen brightness mode manual, again setting dot system dot put int context dot get content resolver, system dot, for now we will get screen brightness and also pass here as brightness. In else statement we will check if the right settings are not enabled. We will navigate the user to settings where user will enable the right settings. Firstly we will show a toast that will be enable right settings for brightness control. Now we will navigate the user to settings using intent, new intent, settings dot action manage right settings, intent dot set data, URI dot parse in double quotes, package colon plus get the application name, get package name, and on the last start activity for result pass intent here and request code will be 0. Now below on stop tracking touch we will implement click listeners on cross, set on click listener, new on click listener, dismiss the dialog, and on the last builder dot create. Now we will initialize the brightness dialog in video player activity. Down here in position 5, brightness dialog, new brightness dialog, brightness dialog dot show get support fragment manager dialog, and on the last playback icon adapter dot notify dataset change. In manifest file we have to add permission for write settings. Uses permission, write settings, point on the line, alt enter, add tools also. Now in position 6 we will start working on equalizer. We will get the default equalizer of device, that will be position 6. We will navigate the user to default equalizer if the device have, using intent if device does not have any equalizer we will show a toast. In that case, audio effect dot action display audio effect control. Here in if statement, in parenthesis, intent dot resolve activity get package manager not equal to null. Then we will start activity for result, start activity for result, pass intent here, and the second request code, let's say 123. Now in else statement, if device does not have any equalizer we will show a toast that no equalizer found. Below the else statement, playback icon adapter dot notify dataset change. Now let's check the app. Click on run app. Our app is installed. Let's open the app. Open folder, video. Now let's check the brightness. Click on brightness. You can see the dialog. If I change the position of Seekbar, it will navigate to settings of this app where user have to enable the right settings. Change the position. You can see toast, and here user have to enable for right setting. Enable it. Go back. Now here if I click on brightness, now I can easily change the brightness. You can see this is 0 brightness and high brightness. Now click on equalizer. If I click on equalizer, it will navigate to default app equalizer. Click on equalizer. You can see this is equalizer. This is not my app equalizer, this is the equalizer application that I have downloaded. If your device have an equalizer, it will navigate to that equalizer. So that's it for now. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, Allah Hafiz.